So, moment of truth, we are waiting for it to be 69.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else.
What is up, guys? I'm Einstein Pong, a mechanical engineering student studying in Taylor University, Malaysia. Midterm week. What's the first thing you think of when you heard that word? For me, it's stressful, a lot of studying, and that is what is in this video. Not to forget about my competition preparation, some of the very happy going back to school, physical lab classes, and lastly, a presentation from me and my team regarding turning a contaminated lake into clean energy source. Sounds super exciting, right? Wonder how I did? Stay tuned to find out. Let's get right into it. Kickstarting the super hectic week, I visited TARUC for my competition purposes. The boy, me, is part of an engineering competition hosted by Institute of Engineers Singapore. I haven't shown you on camera yet, but me and my team advanced into the final round. More content about it coming soon, but so far, what you are watching is making the PETG or PETG thermoplastic into pellets. We plan to mix all these materials to create a composite for prototyping purposes. After getting business done, I decided to take the LRT home. It brings me intense nostalgia as I used to live in the KL area and take the train on a daily basis to attend my barista job. Alright, time for the highlight of the week. We actually went back to campus physically to attend the lab classes. It was awesome. Finally meeting up some of my course mates. We were literally going around the lab like trying to call out the alias of our online names to see if certain people respond. I think this is a new phenomenon in school for the COVID times. The experience of going to lab, touching, experiencing, and actually executing is night and day compared to online classes. It makes me have that illusion of, wow, I'm actually becoming an engineer by using all this equipment. You just remember better when you are engaging with the equipment. I filmed a lot of footages while doing my lab classes, so check it out, alright?
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Said I'm close to baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about you.
Hello. We get. Bro, you are very hot. For the lab sessions, we are doing a lot of stuff. Like, for example, we were determining the thermal radiation energy given out by the source, and we calculated it to understand better of the Stefan-Boltzmann law. For fluid mechanics, we actually did an experiment of impact of jet. But all in all, I think the most interesting experiment is studying the heat exchange of a refrigerator. We were learning about the evaporating and condensing pressure and witnessed with our own eyes on how refrigerant R134A freeze after exiting the expansion valve while we were creating heat from the motor. It was truly eye-opening. The very funny story during the session is when I estimated by the 5th set of data, we will have high hopes of getting the number of God 69 as our lab data. Unfortunately, the machine stopped at 68.7 degrees Celsius. To achieve engineering supremacy, this is what happened. Alright everyone, what's happening right here is we are just waiting for the temperature to become 69. Okay? Anticipated people taking Instagram photos. So, moment of truth, we are waiting for it to be 69. Yup, honestly, I panicked a little bit when my lecturer asked me sincerely what does the number 69 means. It's all for the greater good of engineering data, my team truly believes. I actually had one of the most hectic day in my university life this week yet. Hello. I have a practical lab class from 8 AM all the way to 12 PM. By 2 to 4, I have a midterm exam on thermodynamics. And from 4 to 6, I actually had a statistic and math lab exam. Oh! Don't even really have time for lunch, seriously. But it was challenging, but it was still manageable. I was just having fun. Hectic weeks like this, if you can't fight the stress, it's instant death. But to face war like this, you really need to calm down and pour in the work, because hard work beats talent when talent fails to work. To end the week, we had presentation about our ideas on how to solve the contaminated lake issue and turn it into clean energy. Alright, so back to me, I'm Hong again. So during this few weeks time, we actually followed the framework and also used the mirror board to build up all these ideas. We have a lot of discussion from a lot of people because we are all from different backgrounds, and therefore we bombarded very good ideas. And I hope that you enjoy our presentation today as much as we enjoy making this for you. And that is all for today. Thank you everyone. Time.
So I think you're really ahead of others. So for coming weeks, I think for your group will be having more relaxed and discussions with the four of you. And yeah, I think just keep it on. I'm really happy with your progress. Yeah.
So I think that's all about it for your group. I think well done. Okay, keep it up.
So wait, I have a question. So
my sister bought me some gifts and it is unboxing time. Boom! She actually sent over like a massager. Is this like a face massager, as well as some interesting face masks that I've never tried before. I hope this makes me look better. If you want better skin quality, I think the tip is get a better sister. If you're watching this, be happy, alright? Alright, that is all for my super hectic midterm week. It was busy, it was stressful, but it was super fulfilling. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, smash the like button, subscribe button as well. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new contents on my YouTube channel. Next week's video is actually gonna be very late, so definitely stay tuned for it. As always, Fleming out. Bye!